All right, welcome back to my channel. We'll continue with the logo tracing. Please, if you are new to my channel, do well to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. All right, today we will continue with more complex logo. Of course, we are advancing in our class, and if you have question, please do drop it in the comment section, and I will respond as soon as I can. All right, we'll be using either the rectangle or the freehand to do this logo. Of course, using rectangle, once you draw any rectangle or draw any shape at all, you have to convert to curve, which is Control Q, right? And we'll start with our class. Now, seeing this logo, this from here till this ending point, you discover that you can actually use this rectangle to achieve this complete logo because they are all together. But in a situation whereby the other drawing or the other logo you're seeing it out is outside this, automatically you are drawing another rectangle or you are using a freehand. So very quick one, we will commence with this logo tracing. Okay, of course, I've converted to curve. All right, now you come to agree with me that using this rectangle in achieving logo is quite time wasting. Okay, only just what you need to do is I prefer using freehand tool, and on using that freehand tool I should be able to use the easiest shaped freehand tool in doing my logo tracing, which is the bezier, the invisible line that follow the mouse pointer wherever you click. So very quick one, I'm setting an anchor point where I would like to curve or turn to line. So this is what we are doing here, and I want us to pay more attention to what we're doing. Like I said, anywhere you have curve, you make sure that the anchor point you are creating will not be far from each other, somewhere like this place. So what I need to do is to right click, okay, then click on to curve, right? Then I'll drag it. So same thing happen here, continuously, like that, like that, like that. Okay, remember that I told us that in doing this logo tracing, we can after setting an anchor point and after curving to their after curving to get the shape, we can as well create another anchor point before and after to actually get the smooth edge of the logo we've created. Talking about this, the way you're seeing it, now you discover that here is not as smooth as this place. What I need to do is to set an anchor point before and after. Of course, give a little bit distance between the two anchor points. So once you double click the center one, you discover that it has curved very well. So same thing happens to the remaining logos I'll be doing. Okay, so we'll be doing different kind of logos. Now there's a reason why I want us to do this, because we will be doing something here. Okay, I want us to pay more attention to this very class. Of course, you see these two anchor points. I need to set before and after. Okay, set before and after. All right, double click and you see it very smooth. So same thing happens to the remaining one. Very quick one. I'll fasten this my tracing, and you should agree with me that assuming I used the freehand, now using this bezier tool would have been more faster, okay, than using ordinary rectangle, converting it to curve. Then before we can now commence our tracing. Like I told us before now, that we need to um, use people's logo. That is, people that have done their people that have been into this very graphics application, we need to do one or two things they've done before now to actually get clue or to add to the knowledge of the ones we've done. Now, all what we are doing now, like I told us, that we are doing all these things to actually be having that mindset of how to come up with our own design, okay, and with our own logo. So same thing happens here. All right. All the anchor points you created, what you just need to be doing is to be setting an anchor point before and after. Okay, before and after. Now, the main reason why I decide that we should trace this very logo is because of these 3 points you're seeing. Okay, just draw a rectangle. All right. Now pick your shape tool and curve the edge. Right. So we bring it here, we turn it. Now, the idea of we doing all this toolbox class is actually for us to, I can convert this to curve now. Like I was saying before, the idea of we doing this toolbox class is actually for us to know how to apply this toolbox we have, so that once we commence design with it, it will not be as hard as anything. So what I need to do now is I've gotten this, I'll group it, I'll multi-select. Remember multi-select by pressing the shift, right? You strike the shift key on the keyboard, then you now select the remaining one and press Ctrl G, which is group. Once you press Ctrl G, I want to now create that space here because before it was not open yet. So I'll multi-select the main shape I've traced and I'll click on trim. Of course, trim says cut out a portion of an object by using the shape of any object. Once I click on it, then I'll click outside and click back what I created and delete it because it has finished its own work. So if I bring it out and color it again, you discover that that very portion is now open because it's empty, as the case may be. So we continue with this our freehand using Bezier tool. So what I just need to do will be more faster here. We'll just complete this. Okay. Now you see, while I said I prefer using the freehand using Bezier tool to actually get this my logo done very fast. So very quick one, I'll just pick my shape tool, drag, and I'll drag it. So we'll continue like that. We'll keep advancing in our CorelDraw tutorial class, and please do well to ask question if you don't understand anything. Don't mind, I'll still work on this. Of course, we are having some lapses here. I'll still work on it one after another. So same thing is what I'll be doing here and here, right? Of course, don't mind, we can still adjust this. And after now, I'll begin to set my anchor point to actually smoothen this. Okay, set my anchor point to smoothen this. Set my anchor point to smoothen this. So same thing happens. Set my anchor point to smoothen this. So like that, like that, like that. So we'll keep on doing this. Set my anchor point here, drop it here, Okay, so after this we do same thing here. Okay, now be very fast because this is as simple as any other thing. Just drop it here. So same thing what I'll do here. So by men doing this, we're actually mastering the tools that we've learned so far. Then after that, we'll just create an anchor point and try making the edges very smooth. I remember telling us that after your first trace, you set an anchor point before and after the ones you've clicked or you've had before to actually make it to be as smooth and sharp as anything. Okay, so see what I do here. I can now use this to actually get what I want. So what next I need to do now, actually to set an anchor point before and after, another anchor point before and after, and I've gotten what I want. The same thing happens here, before and after, set my anchor point before and after, right? So same thing happen here, before and after. Then after that, of course, I need to do all this even here, before and after. Okay, so after that, I just need to bring this one side and give the color. Okay, so you agree with me that we've removed the outline, we've gotten exactly this logo. Thank you for constantly viewing my channel, and seeing you in my next video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.